Hello guys, welcome once again. From this video, I'm start a new video series HTML and CSS. I'm going to start initial stage basic HTML. HTML is basically pages of major website or internet. For example, on this screen, Google search page. And there is HTML program is running Google search page. So how can we verify that HTML is running behind? Just right click and go view page source. See so much HTML and CSS code here. So this is HTML code and CSS code is running behind this web page. Okay, so HTML stand for what? Stand for hypertext markup language for creating web page and other information can be displayed in a web browser. But what CSS? CSS stands for cascading style sheet CSS. Is a style sheet language used for describe presentation of document written in a markup language. Style for web page, website, color, color layout, image set, video set, and font size, and many other style for CSS. HTML and CSS go together. We are make good website. We have need editor for write HTML program. First, I show you how we can download that editor for internet. Notepad this editor. Notepad home page, click here. I have downloaded Notepad Notepad is a free software and free use editor. You first click Notepad installer or download start. Okay, download start. Okay, fine. Install complete. Open this file and install. Okay, just install program, but the next English language select, and then next, then install Notepad++ for your computer.